Welcome to Lumina, where your documents become intelligent AI assistants. We've made it so simple that anyone can create a custom chatbot in just minutes. See, log in with Google and you're already halfway there. No technical skills needed. The heart of Lumina is your knowledge base. Upload PDFs, technical documentation, or product guides. The more detailed, the better. This knowledge becomes the foundation for accurate, intelligent responses. Lumina supports PDFs, markdown, text files, or you can just paste your content directly. Before going live, test your AI in the playground. Ask questions, refine your system instructions, adjust the creativity level. This is where you define your AI's personality: professional support agent, friendly educator, or technical expert. Make sure it responds exactly how you want before deploying to customers. Make it yours with the Widget Builder. Choose your brand colors, upload your logo, adjust the size and font. See exactly how it'll look on your website with our live preview. Every element is customizable, from the greeting message to the chat icon position. Generate your unique widget token and regenerate the token based on your security preference. Embed your Lumina widget in web pages simply by pasting the widget code, or share your Lumina-powered chat via URL. Start free with 30 messages per month, then scale as you grow. Check your usage, upgrade plans, or manage billing, all in one place. Our Stripe integration makes checkout secure and simple. From free tier to enterprise, Lumina grows with your needs. Ready to transform your documents? Get started with the free tier. Visit luminawidget.xyz.